Hi guys, now as promised I said I was going to make you a video on how to make the halo jump. So for starters I'm going to show you how to make one where the plane does not have to fly to a place to jump from, just because that can get a bit complicated. And to make this quick as possible, I'm going to copy and paste from the script that I'm going to be sending to you, so it would theoretically be like you are going to do. So to start, you should have the C17 plane mod installed. I think I am putting a video at the end of this to show how to install that. And in this I will be using a texture pack, a skin mod just for a halo jumper. So yeah, that's not important. But so let's get started. You're gonna create a plane. So yeah, so any of the Bow and Glow Masters. Okay, use the RAF one. Okay, and position this however you want. Call it plane 1. And now I'm just going to copy and paste the script, and I'll try and explain it as best I can. Okay, so this here is going to set its height. So and this is from my original, the second script I made where it's moving, where this would be important, but in this it isn't. The main important bit is here, plane 1 attached to B, which we'll go through in a minute, and that set of numbers. So for future reference, you may want to use this at some point. This just means that it's going to spawn at that height here, and this is just if you had a plane start flying and you put that piece of script in here, the plane would fly to the height 3,500. Okay, so now you've got plane 1 there. Now you're going to create a bunker. Let's see if I can actually find it this time. I think some fortifications. Nope. Let's try. There we go. Bunker. Call it B, and you're going to put this hide object true. No, I think that's script right. Let me just check. Yeah, that's right. I just changed that to B, just to be sure. So this is what you saw here. So what this is going to do now, when the plane spawns, it's going to literally attach to there. And I'll just start this. Yeah, it's flying. So it's going to spawn with its engines on. It's just going to be there. So by now you're over halfway in. Now you're going to create a player. Now this is why I have this pack installed. I think it's NSW. I don't know. There you go. So in the script that I'm going to give you, for some reason I've called all the players Bill. So you're just going to put Bill, and I'm just going to get his script again. So okay. So this is this bit here. This is going to attach him inside the plane. So like we're doing with the plane and the bunker, this is just going to do him to the bunker and the plane and the player. Let me just this stand fall, it's going to make him stand up. I think there's an animation like when I made the script, I made it some of it's my own and some of it was taken from I have to find his name. I think I mentioned him in the first video where I actually showed you the jump. But yeah, so I think that's an animation. Then what's going to happen is, as soon as he spawns in, the game's going to see this script and do that, and it's going to spawn inside the plane. Then it's going to see this, and then it's going to immediately detach him. So you're going to spawn in, being able to walk around and set unit position up, so he's going to be standing up. So hopefully, if I've done this right, it should work now. Okay guys, so you would have not noticed this, but when I spawned it in, there was an error in the script. So what I need you to do is go into the player name and delete the number that you had here on this last digit and just replace it with a 0. Okay, and go to triggers, put activation as radio alpha, and then put that script attached build set unit position up. Okay. Before I just had a problem where he's spawning below, but fix that now, hopefully. And yeah, it's all the same. So now it really should work. So yeah. So with the bit that I gave you, turns out he doesn't need that. Just in case, just press 0 twice. Go to that radio anchor. Okay. So now he's detached. Before, just then when he wants it. No. Okay. So before, he's spawning inside here and he fell down there. So I think you just move your mouse a bit and he comes back up. I don't know why he's doing that. I'll try and find what it's doing differently, and when I find it, I'll put an annotation over where I'm speaking. I'll just leave it like this for now because I want to get you this as quickly as I can. So yeah. So I'm just going to turn on the sound. Okay, so now, as you can see, we're inside the plane and everything. So as you can see now, we're inside the plane and everything. So come over here, scroll, open the cargo bay, and when you're on the ground, as normal, this will open like normally and steadily. Just think when you're attached to something, it glitches. And as you can see here, we're up and flying. No, we take jump life. And so yeah, what I didn't tell you is that basically this, I guess you could call it an optical illusion. It may appear, probably doesn't, but it may appear in the first video that it looked like the plane was flying when I jumped out. In fact, in that original video, there's a trigger and the plane is taking off from the airport. It actually is doing that from over there, and then it's flying over here to where there's a trigger waiting up there, and when it gets there it will attach itself, and for the whole time the players are attached to the plane for the flight, so that's how they stay standing up, and that's really the secret behind it. And then when I jump out, there's another trigger waiting for me which allows the plane to fly back off. But yeah, so if this video gets 10 likes, again, I'm going to set that as a waypoint. I will try and make another video on how to do the moving and the moving takeover. I'm sorry this video may seem a little bit weird and kind of full of errors, but yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, like the video, subscribe if you really want to, and yeah, bye. Okay, so I had to resort to Bandicam, so you're gonna go to the website Armaholic, and I'll put it in the link and download the C17 mod. I'm having to record Bandicam because the other ones wouldn't work. Back up your armor. I cannot suggest it more. It happened to me. I didn't back it up, and then one day it just stopped working. And so if you do not back it up and something goes wrong, I do not hold responsibility. And even if it goes wrong and you have it backed up, it's not my fault. You're choosing to mod it. So once you download it, put it on your desktop and extract it. Now open the add-ons folder and name each of these, put a at the start of them. On this I have them there already, but you want to add an at there. Yeah, it might be a bit quick because I'm speaking and watching this at the same time. I'm not doing it right now. Go to keys and do the exact same thing. Now you want to go to your armor folder. So I'm on Windows 8, so you go to Program Files, then I can't see this right now. You go where I'm going right now. You go to Steam, which I can't find at the moment. You go to Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Armor Free, and now here you have. So just copy and paste add-ons, Battle.eye, and keys from here into another folder, because yeah, you just need to back it up or back it up through Steam. So you're going to copy these and put them into the add-ons folder in Armor and paste it, and there you go, that's plain installed. Then you're going to go to keys and do this as I think. I had to do this because my Armor's fussy, and the thing where you do it through Steam doesn't work for me, so I have to do it manually. And start up your Armor after you finish this, and it should work. So yeah, thanks for watching.